This little weaving kit is perfect for beginners because I'll take you through every single step in this video series. Now, if you'd like to get the weaving kit, you can get it on my site, The Creativity Patch. The link is in the description to this video. Now let's get started and I'll show you what's in the box. This is just a fun little card. It's kind of my business card. It looks like a loom, so you could actually use it for a loom if you want to. And next is the little tiny loom. And I've got it all warped up and ready for you. And I've also got the Christmas tree. We call it a cartoon. A cartoon is something that you follow when you weave. So I've got it all ready for you there. And also in the kit is the pretty little metallic yarn for the tree. And I have two shades of red. You can't quite tell that they're two shades, but it kind of makes it shimmer when you weave it up. This is for the little bow on top. And all of my tiny loom kits come with a nice little bag to keep everything in. And this loom kit comes with a nice handy dandy little plastic bag. This is just for fun. And it also comes with 3 needles actually. This one is the main one you'll be weaving with. It's just a regular blunt end tapestry needle. This is another one it's going to be useful because it's kind of smaller, so you'll be using it for things that need smaller, finer work. And the other needle is this really neat one, still in the box here. It's called the Big Eye needle, and you can use this for a lot of different things. It opens up. You can see that, how it opens up. I guess you can't so good. It opens up so that you can put the yarn through, and we'll be using it when we need to hang our weaving, and we'll be able to put it right through the long bead. And the 2 long beads go on either side of the weaving. So I'll get the weaving out here for you and you can see what it's going to look like. These will be woven in, and the top one will be for hanging and the bottom one's just mostly to weight it down. And finally, the last thing we have is our little button. And it's the cute little thing that looks like the trunk of the tree, or maybe the container the tree goes in. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get weaving. If you'd like to get this kit, just click the link in the description below this video. When you purchase the kit, you'll receive a link to the entire set of videos that show you how to weave this. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about weaving, subscribe to my channel. And be sure to check out my website, The Creativity Patch. There's lots more things to learn there, and I've got some really fun weaving kits. See you there, and happy weaving!